Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Shark Pad 7 Pro, and let me share with you how to soft reset or force restart this device. So this operation will be useful if for some reason your device stops working properly and it does not respond to your touches. So for example, you cannot swipe, you cannot close the app, you cannot open the app, or the screen is frozen and you have no idea what to do. All you need to do in that case, in that scenario, is to find the power button, which is in this configuration right here. So at the top on the left, and all you need to do here is to press it and press it long enough until you'll see the black screen and then the developer's logo. So let me try to do it. Let me press this button. Even though we've got this restart option, just ignore it. Let's pretend that we cannot tap on it. So keep pressing the power button. The screen is black, which is great, but keep pressing. And we've got the developer's logo, so in this moment we can release the finger and now simply wait until the device will be fully powered on again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.